The help function in Python prints the documentation of existing Python functions or the documentation of Python functionality you make, provided you gave it documentation. If you spent any amount of time learning how to code, you've ran into the debate about learning via online tutorials versus reading documentation. Some will tell you you should rely solely on documentation because there's no guarantee of the quality of online tutorials. Some might tell you to focus exclusively on online tutorials because documentation is often not written with beginners in mind, so reading documentation as a beginner is an easy way to get discouraged. Ultimately, I've found the correct answer to be a mixture of both. An important note, though, don't feel like you're a coding imposter because you're a beginner and the documentation has thrown 3 to 4 jargon terms at you when explaining a single function. Thinking coding just isn't for you is just a lie you tell yourself. You belong here, and you can do it. Here, I'm showing off an example of help in action. You're printing out the documentation of the list pop method. When you print out the documentation, though, you see that problem of Python's documentation not all being beginner friendly. I'm circling them now, but I can count at least 6 things in this printout that a beginner would have little to no clue about what they were or how they worked. Bonus points to anyone in the comments that can explain all or at least one of the concepts I've circled here and be right with your explanation. My point on this slide is not to teach you all the concepts I've circled. My point is to drive home that the best way to learn is a mix of both documentation and online tutorials. You might not understand what all this means on the first pass, but you can get a gist of what it's saying and then pick up any holes from tutorials. Don't be so concerned about what you don't know in the moment, because you'll incrementally pick stuff up and eventually be surprised at how much stuff you've picked up. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking to support the channel. If you're trying to learn to code, hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in Python's built-in methods, check out the playlist on screen now or in the link in the description. Ciao.